So I'm out here with this this Chevy, and I had, let me walk around here, I'll show you. I had when I got it from my friend, he had put this, I guess, electronic ignition distributor on it, all in one thing, like HEI kind of thing. In any case, it works and it runs good, but I'm not a fan of electronic anything. So he had the old distributor. He had an aftermarket distributor that he tried putting on it. And this one here has so much play. You can hear it. The play in the shaft and everything. And so he said that never worked. This one here, he had a hard time getting it timed when he had the original distributor on. And I was playing with it and I realized, see, these have a roll pin holding the gear that turns the distributor. And this one here had a significant amount of play in it. You can see where it had worn on both sides of that roll pin. And so I took it out and I put a new roll pin in it and I cut it flush with the sides of the gear. And I'm gonna see if that makes a difference. But I'd always would rather have an analog ignition system, whether it's a diesel with mechanical injectors or a point system with a points and condenser setup. I would always rather have an analog setup.